How to update TikTok in iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually update TikTok on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to update TikTok application on your iPhone, maybe you're being left out on some features, or maybe you're having some type of issues and bugs with the TikTok application, what do you do in those cases? In those cases, all you need is a simple update rather than going to all the uploading, deleting cache process and so on. So to get started, all you have to do is just open up your respective app store. Once you open up your app store, in the search box you just want to go ahead and actually type in TikTok. Once you type in TikTok, you'll see loads of applications pop up on a list, and you just want to select TikTok. Now, whenever you tap on TikTok and open the main page of TikTok, if it says update, then it means that your TikTok app actually requires an update. So all you need to do is just click the update button here and then make sure to update it to the latest version. Depending upon the strength of your network connection, it might take a while to update your application. And in this case, if it says open, in your case you don't see the update button, it says open, then it basically means that your TikTok app is already updated to the latest version, and there's really nothing that you should be worried about. So hope this video helped you and answered a question as to how you can update the TikTok app on your iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.